Comfortable stay. We had a very comfortable stay. Friendly staff, clean cozy room, and convenient location. We'll stay again. Exceptional great hotel nearby with night market. Comfort stay. Everything was perfect. This time was our second time booked this Happiness Hotel. As named, we felt really happy and joy while staying there. Really felt like home and going everywhere was easy. 7-Eleven and Family Mart just across the street. There was a breakfast and lunch restaurant in front of the hotel. The staff Rachel and Jimmy were very helpful. Next trip to Tamsu area will definitely staying here again. Highly recommended. Highly recommended. Staff, Nini is super friendly and hospitable. The room is very well equipped, spotless clean and super comfortable. Would definitely return to the same place to stay should the opportunity arises. Good. Exceptional. The room is very nice with warm decoration, like our own home, just that our room's window near to the street. Soundproof is not good. Suggest to improve soundproof system, e.g. install soundproof curtain. Good stay, comfortable stay. Good. Exceptional wonderful homestay. Comfy and excellent service. We'll stay again the next time I am in Tamsu. Except no sliding door in bathroom, everything is pretty. Irene is nice lady and good manager. She has patience to guide and assist us to travel around that area. The hotel side is not easy to find. I love the bear in my room. I recommend people go there and you won't regret. Nice, clean and tidy. Clean, friendliness and location. Staff have been very helpful and friendly. The room was what I expected with fully equipped facilities and comfortable beds. Well-managed place, strongly recommend. A+. Perfect place at this price point. The location was good for what we wanted, a short walk from the MRT and a short walk to the water/Old Street area without being directly in either one of those places. The hotel itself is outstanding as budget travel goes, free coffee and tea, a nice common area to use with tables and hot water. If we had wanted to just have instant noodles we would be able to do so in comfort in the common room. The guest room was very nice. The shower have good water pressure and hot water. Everything was very clean. We were able to drop off luggage when we arrived and store luggage after checkout until we wanted to go to the MRT. A washing machine was available. We did not use it. We plan to stay there again on our next trip. Exceptional great location with nice facilities and friendly hosts. But a little noisy. Very cute. This place made me happy and warm. The stuff there is amazing and everything was very clean and organized. There is no view from the hotel but I had a good time in the hotel too. Thanks. High CP value. Must try. Neat and clean, excellent location to the tourist site, convenient to everything. CP. Love the room. The room is very huge and nicely decorated. Location also not bad. Quite near one of the busy street with lots of shops. The staff are very friendly. Excellent, very good service. Staffs are friendly and helpful. Room are big and clean. Smiley face emoji. Nice stay, kissing face emoji. Love the homestay environment. Cute and charming decorations make me smile. Clean stay makes perfect. Romantic face emoji. Oh, there is 24 hours coffee available. Nice and helpful young lady staff. Cons: feel long distance from MRT station cause carrying heavy luggages. Embarrassed smiley face emoji. Embarrassed smiley face emoji.